I'd like to share some information about my biggest book project. 4 years in the making, 11 cents an hour. But it was a labor of love. Well, mostly it was just a labor. This book is called Naturescape Alberta, Creating and Caring for Wildlife Habitat at Home. Published through the Red Deer River Naturalists, co-authored with Dr. Ted Pike out of Calgary, and the foreword is written by Robert Bateman. So I was pretty proud to have Robert Bateman write the foreword. As you can see, this is a massive project, literally 4 years of non-stop work. The illustrations are absolutely exquisite, illustrated by an amazing illustrator, amazing artist from Red Deer, Gary Ross. Photos were contributed by many different people, and the book covers everything about what you need to know to maximize biodiversity in your own backyard. So it is an all-encompassing topic. Everything from why Naturescape, create the habitat and they will come. That's the tagline of this. If you create the habitat, they will come. So we start with everything, plantings, hummingbird garden, putting in a water garden, how to attract amphibians, what do you do for reptiles, butterflies, who doesn't love butterflies and butterfly gardens, even moths, native bees, beetles. We even have a chapter about beetles and spiders. And then of course we have a very big section on birds. How do you provide food, water, and shelter for them? Then we even talk about mammals. We talk about school grounds. We talk about helping sick and injured wildlife. And then, of course, coexisting with wildlife. Living with wildlife isn't always easy. So it is a Bible, really. And so many people have gotten back to me about how this book has actually changed their lives. It's changed their outlook on what they do in their gardens and their yards. Because really, folks, we need to get rid of the lawn. We need to stop spraying cosmetic pesticides. We need to start coexisting with nature and supporting nature. Really, the future of our children and our grandchildren depends on us changing the way we live on this earth. And so if you're interested in finding out what you can do for wildlife in your backyard, then I highly recommend this book. Naturescape Alberta, Creating and Caring for Wildlife Habitat at Home. All the proceeds go to the Red Deer River Naturalists and to Nature Alberta. And so it's a win-win all around. It's just such a good, at least start on how you can redesign your yard in order to attract and support biodiversity.